In this video, I'd love to share 10 of the most fragrant and healthy roses I grow in my garden. They don't need chemical sprays or complicated care, just sunlight, good soil, and a little attention. Each one is beautiful, reliable, and full of scent. At the end, you'll find a simple table with their key traits to help you choose the right ones for your own garden. I planted my first rose in 2017, not just for the flowers, but to find a memory, that sweet, lasting fragrance from my childhood, the kind that lingers in the air and stays in your heart. Over time, some roses came and went. There are 10 of the ones I still grow, and the ones I hope you'll love too. Let's walk through them together. Deelish, also known as Sweet Rose of Provence, is a hybrid tea bred by Mei Yang. Its deep pink blooms release an unforgettable, rich raspberry citrus perfume. Upright and strong, it needs little care beyond admiration, and it's an ADR award winner for fragrance and health. Named for the serene princess, this rose carries an air of elegance and quiet glamour. Blushing from soft peach to pink, it releases a sweet candy fruit fragrance that lingers gently on the breeze. Jude the Obscure is a classic David Austin rose, named for Thomas Hardy's novel with the same name. Its otherworldly chalice-shaped apricot blooms carries a powerful fruity fragrance like guava, pear, and sweet white wine on a bushy, full shrub. Tall, upright, and graceful, Sweet Mademoiselle shines in coral pink. Its intensely sweet, fruity scent is blended with honey and a soft hint of anise. Bred by Mei Yang, it's highly disease-resistant and heat-tolerant, a rose that thrives with ease. Double Delight is a classic hybrid tea rose known for its striking two-tone color and intense fragrance, bred by Swim & Ellis, USA. The blooms start creamy white and develop deep raspberry red edges as they open, especially in sunlight. Its scent is rich, sweet, and spicy, one of the strongest among modern roses. The plant grows upright and can reach about 4 to 5 feet tall. Neil Diamond is also a Weeks Roses, a bold striped rose honoring the music legend Neil Diamond, dazzles with magenta and white petals and a strong citrus rose scent. Upright, healthy, and a showstopper in any garden. Black Caviar is bred by Cordes of Germany. Mysterious and bold, Black Caviar offers dark burgundy blooms and a rich, spicy perfume. From Cordes' award-winning breeding, it's not only stunning, it's incredibly tough, winning the prestigious ADR award for disease resistance. Best Kept Secret was bred by Weeks Roses in USA. With creamy blush tones and a strong, sweet, fruity, spicy fragrance, Best Kept Secret is a quiet treasure for the garden. Low maintenance with upright, lushy, beautiful, shining, dark green leaves, it offers pure, classic beauty. Perfect for gardeners who want effortless fragrance. Another Weeks Roses bred on my list is Pope John Paul II. Revered for its purity, Pope John Paul II offers pristine white blooms and a strong citrus fragrance. It's an All-America Rose Selection AARS winner, one of the best white roses for fragrance, beauty, and health. Last but not least on my top 10 list Gertrude Jekyll is a David Austin classic. Deep pink and powerfully fragrant, Gertrude Jekyll embodies the spirit of the English rose. It can grow large as a shrub or be trained as a short climber, rewarding you with waves of classic old rose perfume. Thank you for spending this time with me and for walking through the garden. I've included a summary of these 10 roses in the table here. I hope it helps as you choose what to grow in your own space. The piano piece you've been hearing throughout this video is called Eternal Circles, an original composition I created just for this project. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to subscribe. I'll be sharing more fragrant rose varieties, growing tips, and quiet stories from my garden. Coming up next, I'll introduce 10 of my favorite fragrant climbers, perfect for arches, fences, and pergolas. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. And thank you again for being here among the roses.